Hey guys, so basically this is going to be the first episode of our at-home training session. All right, so it's just something to keep you guys mentally stimulated and get you guys moving so you can follow along. All right, so first off, we're going to do a little bit of a warm-up. Okay, so grab some space, do some circles with the neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Crossovers, touching your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Circles at the waist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Go wide. Okay. We're going to do our 4 count. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1. 2, 3, 4. That's 2. 2, 3, 4. That's 3. 2, 3, 4, 4. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Over the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1. 2, 3, 4. That's 2. 2, 3, 4. That's 3. 2, 3, 4. That's 4. 2, 3, 4. That's 5. I'm going to turn to the side, hand to my hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Wrists and ankles. Just rolling my ankle here. Good. Okay. So we'll do our knee ups. So in my stance, on my toes, I'm going to lift my leg up right in front. Okay, I want to get that knee as high as I can while keeping that forward posture. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, do our blocks. So my legs coming up, 45-degree angle, same side elbow. Our toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Cross blocks. So I'm going to cross the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. I want you to do 10 kicks each leg. Okay, so I'm on my toes. I'm going to put my arm out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, shake it out a bit. Touch your toes. Perfect. All right, guys, so you just finished the technique. So let's do 10 push-ups, 10 squats, and 10 sit-ups to end the round, okay? All right, next up, okay, do our knees. All right, so I want you guys to just find a space, all right, where you can take maybe 5 steps. I want you to walk and knee at the same time. Okay, when you do this knee, don't do your body knees, where I'm kneeing out and forward. I want you to knee high, like you're gonna knee to the face. Okay, boom. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, let's do some elbows. All right. So next up, same thing. On my lead side, right, the same side as your jab, I'm gonna do my upward elbow. Boom. So I'm stepping in just like a jab. It's gonna be a bit more of a lunge. I'm coming in. I'm gonna comb my hair just like this. My hand comes right by my head as my elbow comes up. Okay. I don't want to just come up though. I want to come up and forward. So I want to stab in. Okay. So same thing. Let's get 10 of these. All right. So let's go for that right now. 1. Okay, good one I like for this. So do it with the China wall, right? So we bring that leg up as my fake for the push kick. Bring that leg up coming forward, and then drive forward with that elbow, okay? It's a good one you can do. Blocking, drive forward with that elbow, all right? For the right side, we're just gonna do our cutting elbow, okay? So I'm bringing my hand, opening it up, putting that hand right underneath my elbow, chopping down. Okay, I want to do almost a circle motion where I come back. Okay. Let's do 10 push-ups, 10 squats, and 10 sit-ups to end the round. Okay. Okay, so you just finished your three-minute rounds. Okay, it's just like shadow boxing, going back and forth. What we're gonna do now is work on a little bit of balance. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna throw our high knee, just like we practiced at the beginning. I'm gonna come down with the same leg. Throw my kick. Okay. So here, knee, 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 knee. Okay, let's go for 10 each side. It's gonna be the same thing on your lead side. Okay, you can either step, walk in, knee, kick, all right, or do your switch. Knee, okay, knee, Okay, 10 each side. Let's do 10 push-ups, 10 squats, and 10 sit-ups to end the round, okay? Good, that's 10. Good, shake it out. Grab some water if you have it. Okay, next up, we're gonna do some more combos, okay? So, we did our jab, we did our 1-2, all right? So let's do our jab and our hook. So jab, hook, and then our 2, okay? The idea of this is I throw my jab, boom, bring it back halfway, I make a semicircle, boom, so you can see semicircle, to bring it back in for that hook, okay? Quick bop, bop. That hook is gonna push right into the right hand, okay? Jab, hook, 2. All right, from here, jab, hook, 2. Okay, get your 10 reps in. Next up, we do our 1, 2. I'm gonna come forward off of that 2, leaning forward a little bit more than I would with that front foot. And I'm gonna come in for that left body shot, okay? It's gonna be a bit of a shovel punch. 1, 2, off to that side, boom, and turn in. I'm getting the power. Okay, shooting from your hips. Okay, same thing. 1, 2, 3. Good. We're gonna do our combination with a kick. Okay? We're gonna go 1, 2, boom, do my switch, all right? Switch, throw my kick. You see how I'm doing a 180, all right? That way I can follow through with my hips, okay? And get used to kicking through and not just flicking, okay? If I flick, my hips aren't really coming through, okay? I'm stopping right here, boom. That's a big mistake that a lot of people make. 1, 2, 3, kick all the way through, and then I keep going. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, push kick. Okay, I want you to go back and forth like that. Try and do 3 3-minute rounds, all right? In between, boom, boom, throw your combination with a kick. Go right into your, let's do 10 push-ups, 10 squats, and 10 sit-ups to end the round, okay?